ti rhwng 13 a 16 oed. Yn byw yng Ngwynedd?
Are you between the ages of 13 and 16 years old? Do you live in Ngwynedd?
Ti eisiau cwrdd â phobol ifanc sydd yr un diddordebau ti, gweld dy wlad a dysgu mwy am ein threftadaeth a'n diwylliant?
Would you like to meet others who have the same interest as you? To learn more about our heritage and culture?
Tyd, ymuno fo Llysgenhadon Ifanc Llechi Cymru. Fydd ydi lais I safle threftadaeth y byd.
Then join the young ambassadors and become a voice for the World Heritage Site of North West Wales.
Gyd I gymryd rhan mewn gweithgareddau awyr agored. Cerdded, crwydro, mynydda, hwylio, a mynd am ddaear.
You will be able to take part in outdoor activities, visiting exciting and interesting locations, try mountaineering, sailing, and explore underground.
Gyd I gyfle I wneud pethau creadigol. Gyd I wneud ffrindiau newydd.
Take part in creative activities and make new friends and connections whilst having lots of fun.
Fyddwn ni'n cwrdd unwaith y mis, mewn gwahanol lefydd ar draws safle threftadaeth y byd.
We will be meeting once a month in different places across the World Heritage Sites. This is your chance, your place, your opportunity. Become a young ambassador.
Llechi, Lleni.
Safle Threftadaeth y Byd.